There, we're gonna do it that way. Give me a truck full of Klondike bars where the old lady gets it. This is... Oh, he took off. Ah! It's a gang member, too. Ooh, this is... Oh my god! That was close.
Attention all units, we've got a drug deal.
That was really close.
Bismarck Avenue.
Oh, man. He's stuck in traffic. Suspects are gonna see me. I thought for sure I was going head over heels that time. If I lose the car, I probably would lose the car. Not tonight, more than likely. BF3 troll. I almost did flip. But I have LCPDFR installed and everything, and I might at some point down the road do multiplayer with them. Oops. We'll have to figure out why yours is crashing every 10 minutes, because I've got mine at a point where obviously, as you can see, it doesn't crash very often anymore. I'm supposed to follow this guy to his gang hideout. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna cheat. Because if I wouldn't have healed...
Control, assistance required, 4 shots fired in Star Junction.
Whoops. Nope. Stay out of my way.
Units report a criminal resisting arrest.
Alright.
Algonquin Bridge.
See if we can follow this guy to his gang hideout. Where are you going in such a hurry? I have LCPDFR is almost as close to his... Well, you're not close anymore because I installed a different CVPI, Crown Vic. And I did install the improved police. I think I only installed two things, and that's it. But your install is still crashing really fast. No, you might not need to reinstall all of it. What I would suggest is make sure that the AI thing, that AI in the notepad or the config of ELS, make sure the AI is... Oh, come on. The AI is turned off. Sorry. I know I'm repeating myself. Alright, so suspects are tipped off, so let's go ahead and... Oh, I can't lock it out or... Oh, that sucks. Alright, old-fashioned way. Oh, and the crazy ambulance driver now. Oh my god. Stop. Ambulance trolling me. Super Troopers. Reverse that one. I reversed it back to on for multiplayer, not for single player. Because multiplayer, obviously, you want to see each other's lights. But no, for single player, leave the AI off. That's probably why you're getting crashes. Okay. Yeah, I can't believe this guy's actually stopping. This is probably going to be another situation where I get killed, but Yeah, of course he's gonna run. He stole a car. I figured you're gonna run.
I've got perp here. Dispatch, we need air support.
Dispatch air units from Holland 4, an officer in need of assistance in Rotterdam Hill.
There's no way he was just gonna, like, let me pull him over. Alright, this is gonna be a good chase. If I can keep up. This is when I should have the, Charger. Oh, come on. You know what? I'm gonna let you go, because this is gonna be a good chase. Come on. Ah, Crown Vic, come on.
Looks like he's going north in a black
Should have the Charger.
in downtown.
Hold on. Oh, dear God. And he falls out. That would never happen in real life.
All units. We have a traffic alert.
I've lost a bait
for
car.
Suspect doing 90 on
No.
Algonquin Dukes Expressway.
He was like right here. Seriously? I wasn't all that far away. He's got to still be up here. Oh, man. It's because it was a bait car. Oh, the mayor's not going to like that one. Oh, well. Yeah, that was a 1050 on my part. Big time. I'm gonna switch to the Charger. The owner is wanted. Who? Who? Who's wanted? Oops. Him. Is it him? But so I can pull you over. Yeah, owner's wanted. Gotcha. Look at my car. It's terrible. 1050 is 1050 is MVR or MV. Sure. MVA, motor vehicle accident. At least here it is. Come on. I know the light's red, but alright, it's getting too bright too. I suppose the light's gonna change, right? I'll spawn a Charger in a few minutes here. This is like the absolute longest traffic light I've ever seen. Come on. There we go.
Pull over, asshole!
You're gonna pull over right there? Really? Okay. That works too. I love the spotlight mod. Yeah, 1050 and LCPDFR is motor vehicle accident.
We gonna have to get nasty.
Let's see here. No, it would be other.
Got ID? Thank you.
Taylor Barron. Roland Salazar. Let's call them both in. So Taylor is the driver, and supposedly he's the owner who is wanted. Does KSP still use 10 codes? Okay, so Taylor Barron has 1 citation and an expired license. He's not wanted, though. However, his license is expired.
Okay, let's get out of the
So,
car nice and slow.
Yeah. Come on over here, dude.
LCPD,
Unfortunately, you're under arrest.
put your hands on your head.
Do they? Okay. Because the Well, I guess it's per state, but Michigan went over to plain language. Okay, my guy is like stuck here. There we go. Hey, passenger, you think you'll be able to drive, or you need me to... Okay, and I don't know if you just saw that, but... I kind of don't know what happened, but I bumped my suspect, and he went flying about 300 feet through the air.
This is Control. We have a report of a traffic violation. Bismarck
He
Avenue.
literally went like 300 feet into the air. Minecraft, if you want to patrol, yeah, that would be cool at some point. You'll have to have the exact mods that I have.
Albany
Hold
Avenue.
on, let's set ourselves as do not disturb. You would have to have the same exact mods. All you have to do is type in !my mods to find out exactly which ones I have. Probably not tonight, because it's already starting to get a little bit late, but more than likely, yeah, in the future. You know, I could, if you add me on Steam, Scorpion313 on there, and then my live account is Jayhawk381 for now. I haven't set up the HAWK381 on live. And if you want to use the mods and everything, you don't have to have ENB. So like the only mods that you need are like the LCPDFR, you need Simple Native Trainer, things like that. And but yeah, add me on Steam and add me on live, and you know, hit me up sometime on Steam, and you know, maybe during the next stream or something we'll patrol, or even off stream or something. So now I have to move this guy's car out of the way and call a coroner. Okay, yeah, you don't have to have ENB, but if you've got it already, then cool, I understand why. Because apparently my, yeah, switching topic.